beyond that time where anything we say, you know, becomes a statement and it takes away anything from the film. I think that's not right. We have watched the film, of course, and the most important thing is now the audience. I hope that they connect with the film because they are the ultimate, I think, judges. Being, of course, someone who's part of the film, हमें हमेशा ही लगेगा कि while we understand, of course, there's a body which then they have a huge responsibility, and we understand it's not an easy responsibility, but it's all about finding that balance कि कैसे आप अपनी responsibilities भी fulfill कर रहे हैं without क्योंकि वो समझ में आ जाता है when someone is trying to plug in something or write something or show something just to sensationalize. वो सुर सबको समझ में आता है. That's not the sur of the film. It's very different when you watch the film. तो now best is फिल्म 4 दिन में आने वाली है और आप खुद देखें, आप खुद डिसाइड करें कि ऐसा कुछ नहीं था जितना हम तो of course जानते हैं that बहुत जब तक चीज़ें कहीं से कहीं निकलती हैं X का Y Z करते करते जब तक बाहर आती है वो होता कुछ और है और you know it's completely different. So the less said is, I think, better now. People should be the best judge after watching the film. I feel it's a very important film. We feel कि ये एक film, of course, entertaining तो है ही, वो बहुत ज़रूरी है. But साथ में एक बहुत ही एक starter of a conversation है और कभी भी किसी चीज़ की जब शुरुआत होती है, it's always challenging because it can go either ways.
Yeah.
But so I thought it was a very bold move, decision to think of such a subject and कैसे बहुत खूबसूरती से connect किया गया है जो film कहना चाह रही है with our very own foundation of what our faith and belief is. I think that's the beauty of the film. That the credit, of course, goes to Amit, who's the writer and director. Akshay who's been so passionately involved. Dr. Dwivedi, who's such a big name when it comes to literature and writing. So, इतने बड़े और इतने अच्छे नाम जुड़े.
At one point, he was a part of the censor board.
Yes. Earlier. So now whatever has happened has happened. We have to go ahead with the decision and hope that despite everything, the film find its place and love with the audience.
But you appear extremely confident in the courtroom scenes with the trailer which I have seen.
Thank you.
And it's been quite a journey for you. How do you read it? I mean, this whole journey. What was the turning point? Was it Kabil? Was it Bala?
I think it started for very different reasons with Uri. And different reasons.
We'll come to that.
And followed by Bala. I think that became 2019 became a very, very crucial time for me. While Uri gave that humongous success in terms of, I think that's the biggest success I've had with the film.
Yeah, and you found your soulmate also.
And Bala gave me a role which no one saw it coming, which no one thought that, a lot of people thought that I was not the right cast. क्योंकि एक होता है जो कन्वेंशनल कास्टिंग आपको लगता है कि अच्छा थोड़ा सीरियस दिखती हैं, थोड़ा सीरियस रोल किया है, इंटेंस रोल्स किए हैं, ये कॉमेडी कैसे कर सकती हैं आमतौर की इस तरह सोचते हैं. सो आई गिव अ लॉट ऑफ क्रेडिट टू अमर कौशिक.
You mean to say pre-release they thought?
Not pre-release, just when I was casted. Okay. But I got to know this after the release. So that was their way of telling me a backhanded compliment. पता है हमने specially कहा था कि आप सही नहीं हो इस casting के लिए, but we were wrong.
We didn't expect.
So that goes to Amar, that goes to Dinu for casting me, for believing in me, and Niren who wrote the film. I think बहुत खूबसूरती से लिखा character था. And then of course with the Thursday, Dasmi, Chor, निकल के भागा, Lost, and now OMG2. I feel this is what I've always wanted to do, to leave जो आपने पहले किया है उसे आप भूल जाइए, उसे आप छोड़ दीजिए, आगे बढ़िए एक नए किरदार में. I should be convincing enough for you to think that okay, I can play this, I can be this, and also create somewhere my audience where they have an expectation from me that if she's a part of a film, वो कुछ ऐसे ही कुछ साइन नहीं करेंगे, कुछ नॉवेल्टी होगी उस फिल्म में, कुछ अच्छा होगा. जैसे हम पंकज जी तो खैर बहुत बड़े नाम हैं मेरे सामने, बट जैसे हम सोचते हैं द काइंड ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट वी हैव फॉर सर्टेन एक्टर्स. सो आई एम हैप्पी एट लीस्ट टू बी ऑन दैट पाथ. द जर्नी इज स्टिल ... but at least path clear है मेरे सामने.